it's Susanna from WordPress Building Blocks, and today I'm going to walk you through just a quick little tutorial on how to use the WordPress color customizer. Now you get to the customizer by going to your WordPress dashboard and scrolling down to Appearance and then Customize. And when you get there, now this will depend a little bit on the theme that you choose. Some themes will give you maybe one color choice, some will give you a dozen. This particular theme is the 2014 WordPress theme, and it gives you two. It gives you a choice of the site title color, which is this here, and it gives you a choice of background color, which we're not going to see today because I'm just showing you a little piece of the screen. So when you're in the color customizer, if you want to change the color of, in this case, your site title, just click and you notice that this new area opens up. Down here you have some presets. You've got a true black, you've got a true white, you've got red, orange, yellow, and so on. Now if we wanted to choose this particular red, we just click on it, and notice how this little tab changes to red. And I don't know if you could see it before, but there's what we call a hex code in here. This is the code that tells the computer what color we want to use. Every color has its own code. And so this shows up here instead of what was there before, which was just FFFFFF, which is the code for white. Now, if I wanted to change this to one of the colors that I actually use on the WordPress Building Blocks website, say I wanted to change it to the kind of cherry pinky red color that I use. So I would get that code and I would simply delete this one and insert the right one, and notice how this tab changed color, and notice how WordPress Building Blocks Sandbox, these words up here, changed color. Okay, so that's the site title color. Now the background color, you do the same thing if you want to change it. Just open this up. Now I'm going to show you a slightly different method here, because you have this slider area, and you can, I'm going to scroll down just a hair here, click on any one of these colors and it opens up this kind of rainbow thing, and you can just take your mouse and move this around, and notice how as I move it, notice how this changes, notice how this changes. You can just kind of slide it around until you get to the color that you want. Or maybe you like this green but you want it a little lighter, so you can pull this down, okay? And that makes the color less vibrant. Or you can push it all the way up to the top for the brightest, sharpest color, and move this till you get someplace that you like. And notice how, as you're doing it, notice how these numbers are changing, and this color is changing, and this color is changing. So that's another way that you can choose the color, either by clicking one of these presets, by typing in or pasting in the actual hex code for the color, or by using your mouse and finding the exact color that you want in here. When you're all done, click Save and Publish. And there you go. That's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll talk again soon.